Connecting strategy with execution is a common challenge for managers. Kanbanize gives you the tools to align strategy and plans with day-to-day execution effortlessly. Let's see how it works. Kanbanize allows you to create initiatives that can represent projects, products, features, or any other large piece of work. Use the initiatives or timeline workflows to visualize them. To plan their duration, open an initiatives card where you will find the forecast feature. First, make sure your initiative is broken down into child work items. Based on your historical delivery rate and completed work items, the system will create a forecast. Use the primary and secondary dimensions to specify what criteria those past work items should meet. Moving to the advanced settings, use the Additional Cards field if you know that additional scope will be added to the initiative in the future. Also, if you checkmark the Keep Outliers box, the system will take into consideration the outliers in your process. Once you're done, run the simulation. The software will give you 4 different scenarios for the duration of all work items connected to the initiative. You can then use the information to adjust your plans as necessary. Let's move on and see how you can track your initiative status. In Kanbanize, this is automated. Let's take one of the initiatives on the timeline of a team board that has been broken down into individual work items. As they flow through the process, the percentage status of the initiative will automatically update. This ensures that your plan is always accurate and up to date. In case there is a significant delay in an initiative, its progress indicator will turn red. As you hover over it, the system will tell you what its status should be based on your initial plan. Kanbanize also gives you smart notifications when there is an issue with a given initiative or project. Suppose that a child card's deadline is after the deadline of its parent initiative. This will trigger a notification on the initiative card informing you about the issue. Another example is when the size of an initiative is lower than the cumulative size of its constituting work items. This will activate another notification to pay attention to. Now, let's jump to a management board and illustrate another type of smart notification. Imagine that you've set the end date for a team-level initiative to be after the end date of its parent business objective. In this case, as you hover over the linked worked item on the high-level objective, Kanbanize will inform you about the discrepancy. Moving on, with Kanbanize, you can use our powerful business rules to facilitate the flow of your work. An example is the automatic movement of high-level project or initiatives once their lower-level work items move to predefined positions on a single or across multiple team Kanban boards. This happens with the Child Card is Moved rule. But using our business rules engine, you can cover numerous other automation scenarios to fill your needs. To connect your high-level plans to daily work, Kanbanize allows you to build a coherent system of interconnected Kanban boards. From business objectives and cross-team initiatives through team deliverables on a middle management level, down to individual work items, you can break down even the biggest work pieces and track the status of all dependencies. When individual work items get completed, this reflects the status of their linked team deliverables and high-level initiatives across the hierarchy. In turn, managers can keep track of their plans in real time and get instant status updates on all work items in their process. Well done! These are your first steps into creating your strategic plans with Kanbanize and connecting them to their daily execution. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team or check out our knowledge base. Try Kanbanize for free now.